Tired of long lines? Let's unlock the secret to skipping the wait and cruising through the Chick-fil-A drive-thru like a pro using the Chick-fil-A app. First, open your Chick-fil-A app. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. Then, tap Order at the bottom of your screen to start a new mobile order. Next, you'll choose your location. Be sure to select the correct Chick-fil-A to avoid any order mix-ups. The app will automatically detect locations closest to you. Now comes the fun part, building your perfect meal. Browse the menu, tap on an item to customize it. Maybe extra pickles on your sandwich and add it to your bag. Once you're satisfied, tap the View Bag button, then Order Ahead, and select Drive-thru. Review your order carefully to ensure everything's correct. Choose your preferred payment method. You can use a Chick-fil-A gift card, a credit card, or Apple Pay. Confirm your order and tap Place your order. As you approach the Chick-fil-A, the app will prompt you to tap I'm here. This notifies the team that you've arrived, and they will start preparing your order for a super quick pickup. Drive up to the designated mobile order pickup window, give them your name, and grab your delicious Chick-fil-A order. See how easy that was? Now, go enjoy your faster, more convenient Chick-fil-A experience.